Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for being part of this family. If you have been following this channel, I'm glad to announce to you that this is the third part for the VTCL blender review, and today we'll be getting to know if this blender can be used to grind beans for MOINMOIN and AKARA. So let's get into it. Before we continue, if you're on this channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button. Don't forget to comment, like, and share. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for staying with me. So now let's get into the video. This is the beans we will be using, and the first thing I'm going to do is to peel the beans. I'm not going to use my hand or any other thing. I'm still going to use this VTCL blender to peel my beans. I'll just pour the beans inside the blender and peel. I'm done peeling now, so I'll just pour the beans inside my container. This is the peeled beans, so I'll just wash. This is what I have. I love how neatly peeled it is. So now I've added my pepper, onions, and all other things I'll be using. So I'll just take it to the blender and blend it. Remember, we are using the VTCL heavy duty mixer grinder. I'll just pour all my mixture into the blender. The biggest stainless cup is what we'll be using for our liquid grinding. I'll add some water and go on with the grinding. This is how the grinding looks like inside. I'll just go on and grind till I'm satisfied. So I'm okay with the grinding now. I'll pour everything out and see how smooth it's going to be. Look at how smooth it is. This is like 100/100. As I'm stirring it, you can see that it has no particles. I'm just going to pour it inside my container and make something out of it. I'm actually going to be making MOINMOIN, and this is the MOINMOIN I made from the beans. Will you be getting this blender? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share my videos. And please stay on this channel. I love you all.